Prepare chicken this way, quick, cheap, and easy. To begin our recipe, we'll need 2 chicken breasts. Let's cut them into strips. We'll put the chicken in a dish. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, red pepper flakes, salt, parsley, chive, and 2 cloves of garlic. Let's mix these ingredients. Guys, take this moment to leave me in the comments where you're watching us from. I would love to know how far our video got. Let's add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a little bit of water. Let's mix again. This is one of my favorite ways to make chicken. It's delicious. Now let's cover the chicken strips with breadcrumbs. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like the video. That really helps our work. In a pan, let's put oil, heat it, and add the chicken strips. At the end of the video, leave me a grade from 1 to 10. It's very important for us to know what you think. After a while, let's turn them over to fry the other side. When they're like this, we can take them out. I love fried chicken. And our recipe is ready. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!